Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Netdata for real-time performance metrics on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by connecting to your VPS via SSH. You can use a terminal or a tool like PuTTY for this task. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, ensure that your package list is up to date. Run the command sudo apt update. Next, install Netdata by using the command sudo apt install Netdata. The installation process will begin and may take a few moments to complete. After installation, Netdata should start automatically. You can verify the status by running system+status Netdata. If it's not running, start it with sudo system+start Netdata. To enable Netdata to start on boot, use the command sudo system+enable Netdata. Now, let's check the configuration file to adjust settings. Open the configuration file with sudo nano/etc/netdata/netdata.conf. Within this file, you can modify settings like enabled modules and logging options. Make any desired changes and save the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. Next, restart Netdata to apply the changes using sudo system+restart Netdata. Now, you can access the Netdata dashboard through your web browser. Type in your VPS IP address followed by the port 19999. For example, http://your_VPS_IP 19999. You should now see the real-time performance metrics dashboard. Explore the various metrics to monitor CPU, memory, disk usage, and more. For additional security, consider configuring a firewall. You can use UFW to allow access to port 19999. Run sudo of allow 19999. Netdata provides options for alerts and notifications. You can set these up in the configuration file or through the web interface. Monitor the performance regularly to optimize your VPS resources. That's it, you are now set up with Netdata for real-time performance tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.